Whoa. 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 Come on, Harry. Gil, are you sure this is safe? Oh, yeah. Yep, I worked all the kinks out. Solid as a rock. Whoa. 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 Like a rock, huh, Gil? You guys give up? Have you had enough pain? Never! Whoa, come on! Whoa! 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 You better say every prayer you ever heard before, kid. Hope your parents got you a tombstone for Christmas, and I hope they shipped you off to the genocidal people! Whoa, whoa. Where'd he go? I'm up here, and I'm really scared. Whoa! The door! Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh! What's that sound? Whoa! Whoa! It looks like a... Whoa! 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 Oh! Whoa! Whoa! That was the sound of a tool chest falling down the stairs. Oh, yeah. Whoa! Bones crunch.